Okay, if you're short on time and want a quick overview of the Analytics Engineering Unwrapped 2024 report, you're in the right place. In just a couple of minutes, we'll walk through the key takeaways. This report dives into the evolving landscape of analytics engineering, offering insights on AI-powered productivity, data pipeline optimization, testing best practices, and materialization strategies. We've analyzed tens of millions of anomalized data points from real-world analytics engineering projects on the Paradime platform. This means you're getting insights on actual industry practices, and not just theoretical ideas. Let's start with AI, which is becoming a game changer in analytics engineering. This chart shows how power users of AI tools are saving 4x more time than standard users, which equates to saving thousands on opportunity costs. Look at test generation, for example. Power users are saving 6K on average for leveraging AI to write tests. And the most used AI-powered productivity features for analytics engineers are generating commit messages, inline code assistance, fixing and debugging DBT models, and generating tests. So no surprise, embracing AI can significantly boost productivity and cut costs. Consider adopting AI into your analytics engineering workflow to maximize these benefits. Now let's look at production jobs. Despite the buzz around real-time data, this chart shows that nearly 75% of DBT projects run production jobs on a daily basis, and only 13% run more frequently than hourly. Daily cadence for production jobs still dominate, suggesting that for most organizations, the cost-benefit balance favors daily updates or even less frequent runs. Moving on, we know data quality and testing are crucial in analytics engineering, but this chart reveals a concerning trend. Test coverage significantly declines as DBT projects grow larger. For projects with 1 to 50 models, about 18% have tests. Even more concerning, the percentage of models with tests other than non-null is even lower across all project sizes. There's a critical need to improve testing practices, especially as projects scale. Consider implementing automated testing strategies to maintain quality as your project grows. Now let's talk about materialization strategies. This graph shows how the use of incremental and snapshot models varies with project size. Notice how incremental model usage peaks at about 14%. Projects with 200 to 500 models. And interestingly, it drops slightly for larger projects. Snapshot usage, however, steadily increases with project size, reaching nearly 2% for the largest DBT projects. So as your DBT project grows and matures, consider adapting your materialization strategies. And incremental modeling can be particularly beneficial for medium to large projects. To dive deeper into these insights and learn how to apply them to your work, check out this book. And if you're looking to leverage AI best practices into your analytics engineering workflow, take a look at Paradigm.